Recently, many players report having encountered Steam fatal error, failed to connect with local Steam client process. The error prevents users from launching the game, and the error pops up almost exclusively in Valve games, such as Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Team Fortress 2, and Half-Life. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error code mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Log out and in of Steam client. You just logging out of Steam and logging in again. Sometimes, this simple action helps fix various application malfunctions. Method 2. Update Steam. Open the app, click on Steam, and check for Steam client updates. If there is an update available, it will be downloaded and installed. Method 3. Uncheck Run as administrator for the game. Open Steam and go to the library. Right-click on the problematic game and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab and click Browse. Right-click on the X file and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Untick Run this program as an administrator and click Apply and OK. Method 4. Temp Folder Cleanup. Make sure you quit the Steam client on your computer completely by clicking Steam. Exit from the top side menu with the Steam client open. Next, press Windows key, then type %temp% and press Enter. Delete all the content of the temp folder. Restart the game and check if the issue persists. Method 5. Delete the app cache folder in Steam root. First, make sure the Steam client is closed completely. Then, right-click on the Steam client's shortcut on the desktop and choose the Open File Location option from the context menu, which will appear. Next, the app cache folder should be available in this folder, so make sure you right-click on it and choose the Delete option from the context menu. Confirm any dialogues and reopen Steam to see if the same error still appears. Method 6. Run Steam as administrator. The fatal error may be related to issues with game installations or with Steam updates. So you can grant Steam administrator privileges so that it can run in the most optimized way. Once you've done that, check if the error still occurs. Method 7. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam and go to the library. Right-click on the game you want to repair and select Properties. Click Local Files and then choose Verify integrity of game files. Method 8. Opt in the Steam beta client. Open your Steam. Click on the Steam button at the menu at the top of the client screen and choose Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, stay in the Account tab and click the Change button under the Beta Participation section. A new window should open, so check again under the Beta Participation section and click to open the drop-down menu. Choose the Steam Beta Update option and apply the changes you have made. Restart your Steam client and try opening the game again and check for the fatal error, failed to connect with local Steam client process error. Method 9. Reinstall Steam. If you've exhausted all possible fixes but the error still happens, you can reinstall Steam as a last resort. Open Steam and click the Steam button at the top left part of the window and choose Settings. Navigate to the Downloads tab in the Settings window. Now click on Steam Library Folders. In the pop-up menu, click 3-dot and select Browse Folder. Delete all the content of the folder. Go to Apps and Features, find Steam in the list and click Uninstall. Now re-download and reinstall it.